Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by filling the steam iron tank with distilled water to the fill line and tighten the cap. This prevents mineral buildup. Place the board near an outlet and plug the iron in, then set the temperature by fabric. 140 degrees C for synthetics, 160 degrees C for silk or wool blends, 200 degrees C for cotton or linen. Wait for the ready light. Test steam by holding the iron over the board and pressing steam for 2 to 3 seconds. If unused for 24 hours, empty the steam chamber before use. Always check garment labels and start on a low temperature, increasing to the recommended setting for the fabric to avoid scorch marks. For prints or delicate items, turn garments inside out and use a thin press cloth to protect fibers. For pleats and collars, lift the iron slightly to deliver a targeted steam burst. Glide the iron with even pressure, using short steam bursts and holding over each area for about 8 to 12 seconds until wrinkles relax. Let seams cool before moving the fabric. When finished, unplug the iron, empty the tank into a sink, and allow the iron to cool upright for about 20 minutes before storing. Wipe the sole plate with a damp cloth when cool. For stubborn mineral deposits, use a manufacturer-recommended descaler monthly or the iron's anti-scale setting. Never wrap the cord tightly around the iron. Coil loosely and store in a dry place. Keep the iron out of children's reach and test the steam output briefly before the next use to ensure safe operation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.